Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amabenze TV, Rico Altapa, Kipetwe Prem, Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 2. I'm joined by Umfana Semnambiti.
Tibo?
Yeah, sure.
Umnandi.
I'm none.
Yeah, ngigrand.
Ele khot man lalikusi.
Oh, ikusi. You know, Tibo, no, asingene kuyo Tibo.
Yeah,
you know, yabona masikhuluma ngebhola as a whole, nje sikhuluma ngalo ibhola lonke. You know, most of the time when we are chasing big things,
yes,
there will be times whereby you're gonna get tested.
Just true.
There are gonna be times whereby a team will want to prove a point against you. So, must bega little point lelo. We must understand even our players inside. Ukuthi bona themselves. Ukuthi forward, midfielder, defender or goalkeeper, they're gonna be tested.
Yes.
Ama games azohluka during the season. Kunama games la azotest attack, whereby you can check ukuthi abomfukeng abo police are they gonna score ama goals against the team maybe that is playing a low block with 8 players, 8-2-0. Yabo. They're gonna be ama games whereby you're gonna face Mamelodi Sundowns with a good midfield, whereby your midfield you feel like it's gonna be dominated.
Yes.
They're gonna be games that gonna test the defense. And today it was a game that was testing Usipoche.
Yeah.
If you're gonna check, even with other teams, even overseas, there are some games whereby attack maybe they won't do much for your team, but the goalkeeper has to save the team.
Yeah, Mashua.
If you are going to a game namhlanje Orlando Pirates scored those 2 goals that they can score in any day.
Yes.
But look, they conceded 2 goals.
Yeah, they did.
And if you're looking at those goals that they considered, it was the goals that I'm a fans are manning. They say Usipochin could have saved those goals.
Yeah.
Some of them,
aso mele bazi nalaba so lisegazini alikho egazini asiphela manje yaminya manje.
Okay, so Sibo asiqhubeka so njengoba bengisasho ukuthi these are games that were le bekuyigame ebetesta uSiphocheni with his defense. If ubheka right now ama fans they are looking for players, they are looking for someone abazokhona ukuthi bamblame for this game, of which it's something that I think most of our fans they are not used to it. If you are bheka ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns, which are I think our competitors angempela against Orlando Pirates this season, these things happen to Mamelodi Sundowns, but they always find a way to fix izinto ezenzeka kanje. If ubheka ukuthi Orlando Pirates with the remaining games la ebewabhekekile akekho neyodwa game between Orlando Pirates could drop points. Asbe nivar. If you pay with the game Richards Bay, obviously everyone is expecting, even about pay twins, you haven't become Orlando Pirates because most of them they were expecting which Orlando Pirates is gonna win this game. But credit to Richards Bay, especially Zikali, Kumete, this guy number 17, he scored a goal against Kaizer Chiefs. Today he scored another one against Orlando Pirates. He has 2 goals only this season against the Soweto Giants. So it tells you about the spirit of my players adlala ngaso, especially mabedlala home. I think these players have mastered the art of saying we can lose our games away or draw our games away, but when we are playing at home we have to get maximum points. For me, I think even the goals that they considered, I think who are goals in whereby you can say brilliance from Orlando Pirates players. If you check our police who play so well with defense behind the defender ibonanga ukuthi khona iplayer la ngemove. He thought the striking beginning so la sengiqedile ngazi kanti ngeplay khona la and he scored that goal. If you check goal leli kaSima, I think he scored this goal kwi-Orbit College last year, this season. So he's a player vele ekwazi ukuthi wathatha ama shots from the distance. So it tells you ukuthi they have that quality that can win them the league. But most of the time I think with the players themselves now bane inconsistent at times. If you bheka uNemthajela, they always bazongenela bona manje bazongenela yena. Last game they said Nomtachela played well. The game layer 6 need they said Nomtachela played well, but today there are some fans who are saying Nomtachela is the reason Orlando Pirates itoli draw today. And for them I think my fans asesifake kuleli point ukuthi we are winning the league. Not saying we gonna, they are saying we have won the league. And it's something that I think they should consider going forward to say we are facing with we are competing with Mamelodi Sundowns, of which it has been the team. It is the team that has won a trophy for them maybe 7 seasons, if I'm not mistaken. So it tells you what you have to try. What now lower my expectations are. We are competing with Mamelodi Sundowns, and right now, Joba Sebe dropela my points. If Sundowns win the next game, obvious. Yeah, it's obvious. So it's those kind of things that most of our fans they need to look for. What the spirit of players akhe phansi yangithola, but still kunanto ekufika address nje encane. Okay, lama players lawa intwana uDubu ya trend ngifuna ukuthi intwana ziyeke lamantombazane lawa ezihamba nawo la. Kunentombazane engene kwi-podcast ikhipha indaba zakhe personal life yakhe, of which it was intombazane I think bekayijola allegedly. So makayijola le ntombazane manje siyokhuluma naye because way rejector ngekhathi mabehlangana lapha shuthi bayakwenza bakwenza emva kalokho wasishiya kanjalo. So manje intombazane siya kwi-camera expose uDubu. I just want to say these players basakhula, can they please focus empilweni, bafocus kwi-career yabo yeball and leave all those things. I know entertainment is fine, I know these things vele now mawubona uyajabula ukuthi okay sengize ngafika kule level, but they need to understand ukuthi they are professional players, they are playing for abo Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine zolo lokho kade simpraise sithi intwana scored goal idlala kahle kwi-form, but right now kunomuntu otrenda ngayo and she's trending le ntombazane, and you know ukuthi ama baddies lawa ahlezi afuna ama fame ahlezi efuna ukuthi aziwe, but today ba trenda nangenye player, of which is something ehlezi emphasize ukuthi ama players they must try and stay away from lezi zinto lezi, because yazi ukuthi zizo destroy most of our players. Junior Kanye has been talking about this thing for a lot of time, etshela ama players ukuthi can you stop this thing yokufuna ukuphila impilo nisasebancane, can you chase your career, then you see after career yakho ukuthi what do you want to do. But man of the match ngizoyinikeza uSanele Barnes.
Thank you njalo.
Sure.